Happy days and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to look into how I'm educating my lead dogs. The first step is to have them run up front. The second would be to take directions from me, that they would follow directions. The third would be to go off trail, and the fourth would be actually the master class, would be to take directions as they're off trail. And this is the last thing, the masterpiece that we're looking into today. Like how do I educate my lead dogs to take directions and to follow nothing, just my calls for direction. A good thing would be to use an old or already educated lead dog that's able to be sort of a mentor for the younger one. To do that training, I go into an area where they are already familiar, especially after snowfall, because then the trail that we're using has disappeared, or just a heavy wind that blows it away, because the dogs understand that somehow, I don't know how, but they understand or they find the track even though it's gone. So that will be the first lesson for them, to just follow an old trail that's not there anymore. Another difficulty for the dogs would be to just get off the trail. Once they have a trail, they'd like to follow that, and sometimes I'll just have to stop and wait till they understand and take that direction. It's a beautiful scenery, huh? I must say, I'm truly blessed living in something like this and with these friends, huh? Wow. Höjden! Bra! Där. Höjden! Bra! Ja, fint! Höjden! Bra! Venstre! Bra! Höjre! Bra! Venstre! Bra! Ja, knicker hundar.